Here we are guys, my Tinola Baboy, my Filipino pork soup, ready to enjoy! Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is Tinola Baboy, which is a Filipino pork soup. Here are the ingredients of my Tinola Baboy: pork, chicken cubes, chili pepper, onion, chayote, spinach, ginger, tomato, and lemongrass. Now let's start cooking. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Now let's start cooking! Okay guys, first thing is we need water for our soup. Pour in a pan. Cover and bring it to boil. Now the water is boiling. Add the ginger, onion, tomato, chili pepper, and lemongrass, and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to add our pork to our Filipino pork soup. Give it a stir, mix it up. This Filipino pork soup is a Bisayan pork recipe, which is known as Baboy Tinola. Now we can add the chicken cubes. Mix it up. Cover and simmer on a low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's add the chayote to our Filipino pork soup. Give it a stir. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes on a low heat. Guys, slow cooking makes your pork tender and juicy. After 30 minutes, just add the spinach. Mix it up. I know you cannot smell this guys, but the ginger and lemongrass combination smells absolutely gorgeous. It gives it a very good Asian twist. Cover for a final minute. In the Philippines, we serve this Filipino pork soup on a bed of rice. Here we are guys, my Tinola Baboy, my Filipino pork soup, ready to enjoy! Now let's taste my Filipino pork soup. Oh, absolutely delicious. It's very comforting. Now let's taste the pork. Tender and juicy pork. You have to try this guys. I hope you enjoy my Filipino pork soup today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon!